Hello everyone, I am Hamza Qureshi from Mercedes-Benz Silver Arrows. Today we are presenting the all-new E-Class facelift version which is standing right behind of us. So without wasting so much time, I would just want to show you the car first. The new E-Class facelift is coming with power domes on the bonnet, LED high performance headlamps as a standard, active brake assist on the new grille will be coming in the vehicle, and the avant-garde exteriors will be standard. We can check all surroundings of the car, which gives it a very muscular and sporty feel. Coming to the side of vehicle, we can see the all-new 17 inches alloy wheels, multi-spoke with run-flat tires as a standard. Car will be having 3079 mm of wheelbase, which makes it the long wheelbase version, specially made in India, made for India. The soft door closing function will be standard for all the doors in the vehicle. As we can see at the rear of the vehicle, the all-new tail lamps will be coming as a standard along with adaptive brake light function, which will help to the oncoming traffic at the time of emergency braking. The all surround parking sensors and a rear view camera will help to park the car without much hassle. As a pioneer in terms of safety, Mercedes-Benz is providing a lot of safety features in the vehicle like attention assist, active brake assist, active bonnet, 7 airbags, traction control, brake assist, ABS, EBD are some of the features which will be coming as a safety standard in the vehicle. The new E-Class comes with 3 engine options. One is 2-liter petrol, one is 2-liter diesel, and one is a massive 3-liter diesel engine. If we come inside the vehicle, as we go inside the vehicle, we can feel the sense of luxury in every aspect of the vehicle. Like the steering wheel is the latest generation by Mercedes-Benz, coming with touch-sensitive controls, the MBUX infotainment system, leather stitching on the dashboard, the open-pore black ashwood finish gives a very luxurious finish in the vehicle. The engine is mated with 9-speed automatic gearbox, which is coming with pedal shifters so that we can change the gears manually also. Having 5 modes to drive the vehicle like the Eco mode, Comfort mode, Sports mode, Sports Plus mode and individual mode as well. Navigation will be a part of a standard fitment along with 3D guidance. The 64 color ambient lighting will be coming as a standard. Let's talk about the master seat of the vehicle, which is the rear seat. The new E-Class is having a chauffeur package through which I can adjust the front seat up to 77 mm. The curtains are now electrically adjustable. We can also recline the rear seat up to 37 degrees and adjust the headrest, the comfort headrest as well. The all-new 7-inch MBUX tablet to control the music system, the ambient lighting, the power windows, the curtains, and of course the Burmester surround sound system, which is coming as a standard equipment. Wireless charging along with Type-C USB ports to charge your gadgets on the go, 3-zone automatic AC, cup holder, magazine holder and a vanity mirror for all the passengers.